Okay, so students, what we were basically learning is about the organization structure of finance department in any company. Okay, or I will say preferably a large scale organization. Okay, a professional organization. Okay, like Fortune 100, Fortune 2000 companies, or for that matter, any large and professional organization. So the organization structure of finance department will look something like this. Okay, so chief finance officer, okay, assisting to him will be a treasurer and a controller. So we'll just see the overview of the functions of CFO, treasurer and controller. So chief financial officer or chief financial executive covers routine aspects of finance and accounting, and he or she formulates policies, okay, and plays a key role in financial decision making. So what decisions this CFO has to take? Investment decisions, in which project to invest, financing decisions, from which sources to raise funds, and what should be the capital structure. Capital structure means what should be the proportion of debt and equity in the total capital, and the dividend decisions. These are made by CFO, Chief Finance Officer. Then assisting to him will be treasurer. Okay, the office of treasurer will be concerned with the financing activities of the firm, raising capital from different sources. Okay, so I repeat, the assisting the chief finance officer will be a treasurer. Okay, the function of the treasurer office is basically with financing activities of the firm. Financing activity means raising funds, raising capital for the company so that they can invest that funds. Okay, and the controller office is concerned with accounting and control. Okay, so the controller office is concerned with accounting, maintaining the books of accounts, and control. Control means, okay, so once the budget is prepared, so whether all the concerned, okay, employees and the departments, okay, follow that budget and spend accordingly or not. Okay, and whether the income cash inflows are happening as per the budgeted figures or not. If not happening, then companies have to adjust their expenditure. For example, if the cash inflows are lesser than the estimated one, then definitely the company also has to adjust their expenditure. So controller office is associated with accounting and general control. Okay, so let us see here again, treasurer office. Again, there will be so many officers to assist him, and the functions of these different offices are mentioned here. Financial planning and fundraising manager. Okay, so treasurer will have these different managers or officers under him to assist him. First is financial planning, okay, and fundraising manager. Second, cash manager, the manager who handles cash. Credit manager, the manager who handles credit. Foreign exchange manager, the manager who handles foreign exchange if the company is involved into import and export. Capital expenditure manager, okay, large investments, large expenditures, okay, capital expenditure manager. And a pension fund manager. See, there are so many managers or officers who will be assisting the treasurer. Okay, then controller is assisted by tax manager, the manager who takes care of all the tax aspects. Cost accounting manager, corporate accounting manager, okay, and a financial accounting manager. Okay, so cost accounting manager, financial accounting manager, and corporate accounting manager. So dear students, those who are interested to make a career in finance, try to understand. If you are working in any of these offices, or if you are working under any of these managers, it means that you are working in finance department. Kindly try to understand. Because, okay, when students are asked, okay, in which area you are interested to work, they say finance. And the very next question, students are blind or blank. Okay, in which area of finance you want to work, students are blank, absolutely blank. I don't want my students to have a blank. Okay, okay, don't want to be blind or blank when this question is asked. So you can always say, yes, I want to make my career in the field of finance. And somebody asks which department in finance or which function in finance. Okay, you can say either in treasurer office or controller under treasurer. Okay, you can know all these office. These are all offices, and each manager will have a assistant. Each managers will have assistants under them. Please remember. So who may be newly, okay, a fresh MBA graduates. Who may be fresh MBA graduates, and let's say the financial planning and fundraising manager can be a CA, chartered accountant, or a cost accountant. So you may be working under these managers. Okay, so please remember this resources will be shared PowerPoint as well as video. So if somebody asks you in which area of finance you want to work, always you can say I want to work in financial planning and fundraising, or I want to work in cash, credit, foreign exchange, pension fund, or in capital expenditure, or in tax office, or in cost accounting department, or in financial accounting department, or in corporate accounting department. So many options you have. Other than stock exchange. Stock exchange is again different. It is not discussed in this syllabus. Okay. So please remember, do not ignore, okay, what you are learning. Okay. So that's all. Okay. End of chapter number 1. So quickly I will take attendance now. Okay. Okay. So great. Huh? So 60, all 60 students are present, 100% attendance. Okay. So I'm really happy.
Banking.
Yes, Keshav.
Sir, investment banking comes in which syllabus, sir?
See, investment again, as I said, okay. So it comes under same. Okay, investment decisions are made by CFO, Chief Finance Officer. He will also have an office, remember. Investment banking you're asking?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so that also comes under general financial management. Okay. Because if you can recall, okay, there are some couple of definitions in corporate finance. If you go through Google, okay, corporate finance also actually covers investment banking, but since it is not part of the syllabus, I have removed it from the definition. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is again separate branch in corporate finance. Okay. So now let's go through the attendance quickly. Abhijit.
Present, sir.
1 minute. So see, I need not take attendance because participants are 61, including me, it is 61. It means all 60 students are present. So yeah, it saves time for me and you. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
That's great. So the time can be utilized for any interaction. Okay. See, even I will tell you one thing. Okay, so there was a time when internet was not invented. Okay, and everybody did not have internet at their fingertips. Only teacher was the person who knew more than students. Okay, now actually whatever we teach, you can have access to that information through internet. See, that is the difference I have told you. In premier MBA institutes like IIMs or Harvard, Cambridge, you name them, students actually read theory. Okay, a session plan is given to students in which class what will be discussed. Based on that, okay, say for example cost of capital. Okay, so the teacher will be going to take some case studies on cost of capital. Students read theory, they learn actually how to calculate cost of capital, and then they go to class. Remember this. Or let us say investment decisions, capital budgeting techniques. Okay, so students actually read the theory and they learn how to evaluate the capital projects using different capital budgeting techniques, and then they come to class. And teacher only discusses a case study. So he brings about, let us say, 2 projects or 3 projects, and he asks the students to evaluate and choose any one project which maximizes shareholders' wealth. But anyway, in our class, what happens? All the theory part as well as practical numerical has to be taught by teacher. Anything you want, okay, go to Google, okay. And for financial management, there is a very good website called as Investopedia. I repeat, Investopedia, very professional and quality website, which can answer most of your queries. Okay, most of your queries. Okay, say for example, now Keshav has asked, okay, this is the quality input, what I'm providing. It's not a waste of time. Okay, and we still have about 3 minutes left. So if I go to Google simply, okay, and if I type sorry, investment, okay, banking. Okay,
Share
Share
the
the
link, sir.
screen, sir.
Yeah, so, sorry?
Screen, sir. Share it, sir.
No, I'm not. You want me to share screen? Okay, 1 minute. Huh? In that case,
Or
better.
else share the link, sir.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Share the link, sir.
No, better to, okay, share screen. I was using my mobile phone. Okay, anyway, 1 minute. Okay, so investment banking, I will go to 1 minute. I'll share, huh? Investopedia. Yeah, 1 minute. I'll share now. Okay, students, can you see this now?
No, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yeah, you can see the screen,
Now-
right? Yes, I received the answer. Yes, sir. See, this is investopedia.com. Okay, then see, they explain what is investment banking. Investment banking is a specific division of banking related to the creation of capital for other companies, governments, and other entities. Okay, so you'll have a small video also is there of 1 hour 47 minutes. Okay, or you can have additional information. Okay, what do investment banks do? Underwrite new debt and equity securities for all types of corporations. See, again, if you do not understand what is the meaning of underwriting of new debt, simply type it in Google, underwriting new debts, meaning, it will give you the meaning. Okay, or underwriting equity securities. Okay, we'll get the meaning. And aid the sales of securities. Okay, so investment banking aid or assist the companies in sale of securities like equity shares, preference shares, for example, or debentures, and help facilitate mergers and acquisitions, reorganizations, broker trades for both institutions and private investors. Okay, so this is a different branch again. This is a different branch. Okay, so that is how they say, I'm sorry. Investment banking is a specific division of banking related to the creation of capital for other companies, governments, and entities. And what exactly investment banks do is listed here in this first paragraph. Any concept, any jargon you don't understand, type it in Google. But remember, prefer to refer the credible site. Credible site. For financial management, no doubt, 10 out of 10, it is Investopedia, which you can refer. If there are any better sites, you can always let me know. Okay, so those who are very eager to learn, because any subject you take, marketing, finance, HR, operations, okay, like a ocean. Okay, even a teacher cannot know everything. You can always understand that. Anyway, so Keshav, I hope that answers your question, right?
Yes, sir.
And that too clearly, without any doubt. Okay, then. So, dear students, okay,
Yes,
it was
sir.
a nice session. Okay, so see you all again tomorrow. Okay.
Bye,
One more
sir.
thing. Yeah, wait, please. Very important announcement.
Bye, sir.
Do not log out. Do not log out. Very important announcement. Okay.
Bye, sir.
Do not log out. Important announcement. Okay. See, I have shared time value tables in Google Classroom. Have you received them? Have you viewed them?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. See, if possible, you need to take a printout. I have mentioned in the Google Classroom instructions. If possible, you take a printout. It is always better. Or you need to have an additional device. Okay. Where when I ask you to refer the tables, you should be able to refer the tables. Because in the same phone, I don't know whether you can refer the table as well as attend the class. If possible, you can do the same. Or simple way is taking a printout, hard copy, or keeping another device. Okay, with this soft copy of the time value tables, these are. Without this, remember, unit chapter 2, unit 2 and unit 3, you won't be able to understand anything. You won't be able to solve a single problem. And those who are logged out, okay, I'm not responsible for them. You can share this information if you care for them. That's it. Because already I have shared in instructions in the Google Classroom. So is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. See, about 8 students are logged out. Please inform them, both the CRs, Keshav and Purna, I think. Okay, please inform the 8 students to maintain a copy, soft or hard copy for tomorrow's class of time value tables. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Thank you very much. Happy
Sir.
lunch hour.
Bye, sir.
Happy lunch hour. Yes.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, bye, sir.
Bye.